Here's the assignment for today. It's called Missing Elements. You'll find it in Google Classroom. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see 3 different slides. First slide is just the title slide. It says fill in the missing elements with the correct symbol, drag and drop, and then answer the questions on slide 3 using your chapter 4 notes. So the first slide you'll see a periodic table like the one we filled out the other day, except this periodic table is missing a few elements. Your job is to look at your periodic table and determine where these blocks go or where the squares correctly go. You'll notice they are color coded, so the metals are in blue, the non-metals in that tannish orange color, and the metalloids are in green. So that'll help you determine their location as well. Once you find the right spots for each one, head to slide number 3. I mean, you could do this slide first if you would like, but you're going to read each of these 8 questions and then go ahead and for the first 2, it just says highlight the correct answer. So all elements on the periodic table have equal number of protons and electrons. That is true. All the elements on the periodic table are neutral. So what you would do is go for that, highlight it. The highlight kind of blurs out the text actually. That's fine if you do highlight it. I'll know what you're doing, but you could just do the text as yellow. The periodic table groups similar elements together. Yeah, that is true. Elements are listed in order of number of protons in the nucleus. I would make that yellow. What are the horizontal rows called? Well, we have 7 of those horizontal rows, and we call them periods. What are the vertical columns called? Sometimes called families. We're going to call them groups. We have 18 groups on the periodic table. If you're in the same group, you're typically going to have very similar properties. Each group has the same number of what electrons? Well, we were talking about those electrons that can be anywhere from 1 to 8, the ones that are involved in bonding. We call those valence electrons. All right. After valence electrons, it says, what is the name of group 18? Well, if you go to your periodic table, group 18 is way over here. What are all these called? The noble gases. The noble gases would be group 18. Make it yellow. And last but not least, groups 3 through 12 are known as what kind of metals? Well, groups 3 through 12, what are these? These are the transition metals. Transition metals. There we go. And transition should go yellow. And that is how you would do it. Once you get done with both of these, go ahead and turn that in, and that is it. Thank you.